Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick review swatch and tutorial, I am doing a video on the Dose of Colors Stay Glossy Lip Gloss in the particular shade On Repeat, which is described as a warm mid-tone nude. And in my opinion, this gloss in particular and shade is definitely an everyday, any occasion lip gloss. Now this retails for $17 for 0.16 ounces of product. And as you can see, the applicator is so flexible and easy to use and comfortable. It's very thin and flexible, and it applies enough product with one dip of the gloss. Now this is an ultra glossy non-sticky formula with a unique smooth feel. It's very non-sticky, by the way, and it does have a high shine with high pigment. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick. It glides on effortlessly, it's cruelty-free, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, and it's paraben-free. So it's definitely a great formula lip gloss, and it's very comfortable. It's, in my opinion, an everyday gloss. You can wear it anytime, with any occasion, and this shade in particular is a perfect nude, your lips but better shade. It's also a very buttery quality, in my opinion. It's very lightweight, and this is what it looks like from face distance. I absolutely love it for my skin tone, for my skin type, and I definitely am going to try out the other shades, which there are 12 shades in total to choose from. And I do have another shade that I did swatch and make a video on if you want to check out my other playlists. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys.